presidente de la República de Colombia.
We run the city.
Y bien, me gano la vida haciendo negocios, así que pues fresco, tranquilo. Ustedes pueden aceptar mi negocio o aceptar las consecuencias. Plata o plomo.
A la mierda el cartel de Cali, a la mierda Yuricada, a la mierda los castaños. Vamos a demostrar a esos hijos de putas con quién se están metiendo, porque nosotros aún somos el cartel de Medellín y esta noche vamos a tomar este malparido Montecastinos.
Yeah, nigga. We run the city.
Sick, thicker than most of these tricks. I got my mind on making money, but you stuck on these fake bitches. I stay blunted and never fronted, and I doubt if I do. Cause if I did, then I get beat up by my fucking crew. A real nigga since you figure that you ready to box. You catching knots from my nigga Freddie Fox. You really don't want none from pockets. I be strapped with a Glock and throw things like I'm born to box. I hit this motherfucking gin and I'll be all in. Hell yeah, young nigga straight ballin'. And everybody wants to see it from a G weighing 165. And I'm high till I fucking die. Thug life in this motherfucker catching wreck. Big stretch hit me off when I hit the set. But now I'm cool cause I'm tipsy and I feel a nigga trying to see it from a killer. Come on.
Let's get it over with. Yo, soundboy, turn the levels up. Let's get it over with.
We run the city.
Seven squad up in this motherfucker. Where my real niggas at? My Bronx niggas, my Foss niggas. I see you, little hat. Yo, who wanna spaz out? Crunch time, blow your abs out. Leave you in the fetal position with your ass out. Ready to mash out any crew acting like they the true facts of life. Frontin' through the camera lights. Despite we hold it down regardless. I got Def Jam sucking me like I wish you was my artist. For starters, who's the largest cat? Get 100 grand for my most garbage rap. Now how hard is that? Everything we spit be hot. Whether it's live or flex or in front of the chick, it's not grind down. We really live what you rhyme about. See me posted up in the tunnel with my sounds out. Ice cold like Alaska when I pass it. Got girls shaking, losing their breath as if they catching asthma. Headed to the bar to pop some bottles. Now we in the car, headed home to rock some models. All I hear in the background is Gucci and Prada. But I'm trying to gas these bitches to screw me for nada. We the best that done it, confess you front it. Anybody wanna test, I'ma stretch you want it.
Ese es el problema.
La gente nos está mirando, Pablo. Nos están preguntando cómo fue que todos con la plata.
Gustavo, hermano. Usted lave el dinero. Haga que parezca legítimo y ya, hermano.
We run the city.
I grew up on the crime side, the New York Times side. Staying alive was no job, had second hands. Moms bounced on old men, so then we moved to Shaolin Land. A young youth, you're rocking the go-to. Low goose, only way I began to G-York was drug loot. And let's start it like this, son. Rolling with this one and that one, pulling out gats for fun. But it was just a dream for the team who was a fiend. Started smoking wools at 16 and running up in gates and doing hits for high stakes. Making my way off fire escapes. No question I was speed for cracks and weed. The combination made my eyes bleed. No question I would flow off and try to get the dough off. Sticking up right boys on war court. My life got no better. Same damn low sweater. Times is rough and tough like leather. Figured out I went the wrong route. So I got with a sick tight click and went all out. Catching keys from cross seas. Rolling in MPVs. Every week we made 40 G's. Yo, brothers, respect mine. I ain't gonna take now. Bow.
Hey.
youngster, causing ruckus on the back of the bus. I was a fool all through high school, kicking up dust, but now I'm labeled as a troublemaker. Who can you blame? Smoking weed help me take away the pain. So I'm hopeless, rolling down the freeway, swerving. Don't worry, I'm about to crash up on the curb, cause my business blurry. Maybe if they tried to understand me, what should I do? I had to feed my fucking family. What else could I do? Or be a thug? I'm slanging with the homies, fuck hanging with them phonies in the club. Got my mind no danger. Never been a stranger to homicide. My city's full of gangbangers and drive-bys. Why do we die at an early age? He was so young, but still a victim of the 12 gauge. My memories of a corpse, mind full of sick thoughts, and I ain't going back to court. So fuck what you thought. I'm drinking Hennessy, running from my enemies. Will I let it be 23? There's so much chaos in my local life, survive the strain. And a man without a focus life can drive him insane. Stuck inside a ghetto fantasy, hoping it change, but when I focus on reality, there's so much chaos in my local life, survive the strain. And a man without a focus life can drive him insane. Stuck inside a ghetto fantasy, hoping it change, but when I focus on reality, there's so much pain.
I really need to talk to you, Lord. Since the last time we talked, the walk has been hard. Now I know you haven't left me, but I feel like I'm alone. I'm a big boy now, but I'm still not grown, and I'm still going through it. Pain and the hurt, soaking up trouble like rain in the dirt. And I know only I can stop the rain with just a mention of my Savior's name.
There's so much chaos in my local life, survive the strain. And a man without a focus life can drive him insane. Stuck inside a ghetto fantasy, hoping it change, but when I focus on reality, there's so much chaos in my local life, survive the strain. And a man without a focus life can drive him insane. Stuck inside a ghetto fantasy, hoping it change, but when I got me so much like pain. Locked and ready to get my slug on. I load my clip and slip my motherfucking gloves on. I ain't scared to blast on these suckers if they test me. Trucks, I got my Glock, cop player if they press me. Bust some motherfuckers with a passion. Better tuckers, I ain't looking with them. Blasting, I'm a nothing, drinking Hennessy and getting high on the lookout for my enemies. Don't wanna die, tell me why, cause the stress getting major. A $150 across the face with my razor. What can I do but be a thug until I'm dead and gone? I keep my brain on the game and stay headstrong. These sorry bastards wanna kill me in my sleep. I'm really cannot see, and every day it's just a struggle. Steady thugging on the streets and I've been ballin' low. Don't let them make you worry, keep swinging at these suckers till you buried. I was born and raised hell, nigga from the gutter, word of mother, I'm touched. I'm kicking dust up, ready to bust out on the scene, steady mugging me. Until they kill me, I'll be living this life. I know you feel me, there's so much pain in my local life, survive the strain. And a man without a focus life can drive him insane. Stuck inside a ghetto fantasy, hoping it change, but when I focus on reality, there's so much chaos in my local life, survive the strain. And a man without a focus life can drive him insane. So much stuck inside a ghetto fantasy, hoping it change, but when I focus on reality, there's so much pain. There's so much pain. There's so much pain. There's so much pain.
This motherfucking life I lead. Hella motherfucking roadblocks and crooked cops. Hella motherfucking roadblocks and crooked cops. We still ride though.
Why shall I plead? Forever thugging on a quest to get G's, running from enemies. Ever since the days of a sea, I'm under pressure. The stress I had me drinking, thinking niggas after me. Much too paranoid to blink. Wonder why the police don't wanna see me stacking G's. They after a player, but I won't let them capture me. I gotta thank the Lord for the weed and the nicotine.